Hi, I'm Sarah Cowan from the Herb Farm, and this is our guide to the Herb Farm Facial Serums. Facial serums are designed to deliver a high concentration of potent ingredients deep into the skin cells. Our serums are lightweight, so they're easily absorbed, and they're packed with concentrated ingredients to target specific skin concerns. At the Herb Farm we have 4 different facial serums which are supercharged with herbal extracts from our gardens and are designed to be used daily. Our herbs are harvested from our organically grown gardens and then immediately infused into extracts for maximum potency. Our facial serums form part of our 4 skincare ranges. Our skincare ranges are 4-step systems. Step 1 being the cleanser. Step 2, the facial toner. Step 3 is our facial serums, which are applied to the skin while the skin is still damp from the facial mist. And then lastly, step 4 is the face cream, which locks in all the goodness from the facial serums. Our Balance and Clarify Facial Serum is suitable for oily, combination and problem skin, including acne and pimples. It includes our PuriThym Herbal Extract Blend, which includes thyme, menthol mint, calendula and comfrey, all from our own gardens. The Balance and Clarify Facial Serum helps to promote balanced, clearer and calmer skin. Our Nourish and Glow Facial Serum is suitable for normal and sensitive skin and includes RadiRose, which is our own extract blend of rose, echinacea and calendula. Nourish and Glow Facial Serum promotes healthy, radiant and glowing skin. Our Hydrate and Restore Facial Serum is designed for dry, damaged or dehydrated skin. It contains HydraHip, which is our own extract blend of rosehip, nettle, raspberry leaf and thyme. The Hydrate and Restore Facial Serum promotes healthy, hydrated skin. Our Renew and Refine Facial Serum is suitable for skin showing signs of aging, fine lines and wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. It includes EchiNew, which is our herbal extract blend containing echinacea, elderberry, ginkgo and comfrey. The Renew and Refine Facial Serum helps to promote bright, toned and firm skin.